So the Thermal Runaway Incident Program, we've been collecting data for almost 5 years now from the various airlines that participate in the program. And unfortunately, the number of incidents that are happening in U.S. aviation continue to increase year over year. So my biggest concern is that we have not yet found the right answer, and these incidents are becoming more common. Along the same lines, though, the other problem that we have is more and more things are being powered by lithium-ion batteries, and just the diversity of things that are coming onto airplanes is continuing to increase, and we think that's one of the reasons why the number of incidents continues to increase over time.